Hello and welcome to EasyLicense. My name's Rahan, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to temporarily block out your calendar. Some reasons for doing this may be that you're going on holiday or extended leave, you may be on sick leave, or you work a rotating roster so your schedule is constantly changing. As always, to log into your instructor account, please visit our website and select Instructor Login in the top right hand side of the page. Once we've logged into our account, we will then need to navigate to our calendar. We can do this by going to our drop-down menu in the top right-hand side of our screen and selecting Calendar. Once we are in our calendar, we will then need to select the Create Event button in the top right-hand side and select Create Personal Event. From here, it will then ask you to enter in the details of your event. For example, I'm going to show you how to enter in a holiday. For event name, I'm going to enter in holiday. I'm then going to enter in the start of my holiday, which is the 5th, and the end of my holiday, which is the 8th. I'm going to move the time to the start of the day and the end time to the end of the last day. I'm then going to select personal event, not a driving lesson, and leave this ticked as no, as I don't want to change the travel time, and then select create event. Once selected, we will then see that that time has been blocked out of our calendar. We can see these long blue holiday blocks. Start time being Sunday morning at 8, and the finish time being 8 o'clock on the Wednesday. Once we have entered in this personal event or holiday into our calendar, we will not be able to be booked by EasyLicense learners. To edit or change the event, we just need to click on one of the blocks. That will then bring up the details of the personal event for us to change, and if we do make any changes, we can scroll down to the bottom and select Save Changes. If we want to delete the event from our calendar, we click Delete Event. For more information on how to block out your calendar or how to add private events, please go to our support section, which you'll find in the drop-down menu in the top right-hand side of your screen, and you can click Support. In the support section, you can either use the search bar to search up the article you're looking for, or you can submit a request to talk to our customer service team. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you with the next one.